I'm Steve Schultz, materials engineer at Snapon Tools. Some of you may remember me as the Mad Metallurgist, and I'm here today to introduce the new Formula 1920 steel wipes. These wipes offer exceptional cleaning, and it leaves behind a light, non-greasy oil that not only lubricates the tool but also protects against rust and corrosion. The Snap-on exclusive wipes work on all metal surfaces and will not damage polymer tool handles or grips. To demonstrate the effectiveness of the Formula 1920 steel wipes, we conducted a high heat and high humidity test on 3 87 ACF cutter samples. The first sample was tested as received from the factory with the original factory oil coating in place. The second sample simulates a pair of cutters that have been cleaned using a parts washer, brake parts cleaner, or other equivalent cleaning method in which the oil is effectively removed from the surface of the metal. The third sample simulates a pair of cutters that have also been cleaned and retreated with the new Formula 1920 steel wipes. After coming out of the environmental chamber next to me, the first sample that was treated with the factory oil shows no signs of corrosion. The second sample that simulates a cleaned pair of cutters shows early signs of red rust. The third sample that was treated with the new Formula 1920 steel wipes also shows no signs of corrosion. We recommend the use of the new Formula 1920 steel wipes for use in regular cleaning and maintenance of your tools, and also after other cleaning methods have been used in order to impart the rust protection that your tools need.